The Nature Journal, a Backyard Adventure by Savannah Allen. The Nature Journal, a Backyard Adventure by Savannah Allen. Tim and his dad were like bacon and eggs. They were great together. Tim's favorite thing to do was explore outside, just like his dad did when he was a kid. He observed, he collected, and he recorded it all in his nature journal. One day, after an afternoon of collecting, Tim decided to gather his findings and share them with his dad. "I can't wait to show him," said Tim. But his dad wasn't ready, so he waited and waited and waited. Soon, Tim grew tired of waiting, so he decided to climb up to the attic. The attic held his dad's dearest treasures. Scrapbooks, nature journals, pictures, all dusty and torn, but full of adventure that his dad took before Tim was born. Tim read and read his dad's journals until he couldn't keep his eyes open. "Dad!" When Tim woke up, he didn't want to forget a single thing. He scribbled down his dreams as fast as he could. "There," whispered Tim, "we are great together." When the day was nearly over, Dad went looking for Tim all through the house. But then he knew exactly where he'd be. When he found Tim, he knew just what to say. "I'm sorry I couldn't be with you today." He looked at Tim's drawings closely and smiled proudly. "No, of all my adventures, being your dad is my favorite one. What do you say we add some pages tomorrow?"